Hi, this is Johnathan Smith. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Gitolite on your server. A lot of organizations and a lot of people are using Git right now, and they do it through plain SSH, putting a public key on your server. The issue with that is you're giving everyone that you install the public key to access to all your Git repos, all the branches, and full realm to do whatever they want on your server. Gitolite is a nice little utility that will let you manage your users to your Git repositories, setting them up to read or write access to repos and to the branches inside of it. In this demonstration, I'm going to be using my website. If you look up here, JonathanMarkSmith.com. That's JOHNATHAN, Mark, M-A-R-K, Smith, S-M-I-T-H.com. I'm going to be using this page to copy and paste some of the commands to kind of save some typing. You could go to my website at any time and find these instructions if you missed a part of it in the video or just need to reiterate something. So now the first thing we got to do on our Git server is to set up a user called Git. As you can see on my website, I'm going to do a user add Git, and then I'm going to set the password for him. The reason why you want to do this is because you want everyone to really SSH in as one person, Git, and then have Gitolite take their public key access and see if they have access to the repro or to the branch in the repro. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to just SSH into my box as myself right now. And as you can see, I just logged into my box, and to create a user, I got to be root. So now that I'm root, I'm going to say user add, and I'm going to make Git. Okay, so now I just created a user called Git. Now let's set the password. Password Git, and you can make the and now let's set the password. Okay, so now I created the user Git and I set the password for Git. Now the next step of this is you got to copy the administrator user, which is going to be me in this case, public key to that account. So what I'm actually going to do is do an SCP of my public key from my workstation to the server. Okay, we're there. Sorry about that. So I'm going to actually, instead of exiting this window, I'm going to open up a new tab. Okay. So now I'm going to do SCP of my public key. Okay. That to the server. Now I'm going to, I actually got to do it as the Git user because we want it in his library. So Git at Regan.com, and I'm going to put it in home/Git, and I'm going to make actually the key my name, jsmith.public. Okay. Now it's going to ask me for the password, and now that key is up there. So now let's log in as the Git user. So let's X as root, and now I'm going to SU as Git. And of course I need the password. So now we can see my public key is up there. So the next step is after that is to download Gitolite from GitHub. So what you could do, and you know what I'm going to do to make this a little easier, I'm going to have this window open up on the same window as my terminal to make the example a little easier for us. So I'm going to open up another browser here. Let's close this browser, okay? And I'm going to open up another browser here, and I'm going to paste in my link just so I could copy and paste the commands and we could see it. So here's my terminal window. Now I'm going to go and get Gitolite from GitHub. Paste. And this is actually downloading Gitolite from GitHub. Now that I have it downloaded, of course you're going to CD into it. Okay. So now I'm CD into it. Oh, I forgot one important step. You got to make a bin directory where it's going to install to. So make bin. Now I could CD into the directory. That's why it's very good to follow the instructions I have on my website. It will help you with all this. And again, if you follow my instructions, I really did not have to CD, but I did. So now I'm going to paste the command to do the install. Now I'm going to paste the next command to say use the public key. Okay, now this one, the first one did the install. The second one is going to set it up with using my public key as the admin. And as you could see, it said these two things were missing and it was created. So right now, if everything was working right, I could actually exit this, and I'm going to issue this command just to make sure it worked from my workstation. Oh, sorry. I did not exit. Okay, now I'm on my workstation. And as you can see, perfect. I logged into my Git repro server, and Gitolite told me which two projects I have access to. This is how easy it is to set up Gitolite and have security at your organization for your Git repros. In future videos, I'm going to show you how to set up access to different repros. Yeah, you know what? Let's actually try that right now. Let's go in and actually say I want to set up a new repro and give myself access to it. So let's just make a temp. Let's see if I have a temp directory on here. Okay, I do. I'm gonna say clone my Gitolite admin directory as the Git user on my server and grab everything. Now I have it. Now if you look, you can honestly see there's two directories, key directory and config. And key directory is the directory where you put all the public keys for all the users you have. Okay. In the config directory, you'll see there's a file, Gitolite config, which I'm going to VI right now. So say that I want to set up a new repro on the server. Let's say repro, and I'm going to say git demo. And for git demo, I want to add myself read and write access to the repro. So I just added it. As you can see, I said repro git demo. I gave read and write access to user J Smith. Now I'm going to exit. Now, of course, we got to do a git commit to say that we updated that. And now I'm going to just say added repro git demo. Now, the best part about Gitolite, it also gives you a audit trail of what the admin added people, deleted people, added repro, etc. So now that I did the commit, I'm going to push it. As you can see, Gitolite created the new repro and added it. So now if I go back and I want to check what I have access to by doing a git info, a SSH git at the server name info, you should see I now have access to git demo. This is how easy it is to add and to remove users to the Git repro. I hope this helps you out a lot. You really shouldn't be using just Git over SSH. You should really install Gitolite. If you have any more questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me at my website. I am Johnathan Mark Smith, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you and have a nice day.